Basically, today we are going to learn how we can give the notice to vacate to the tenants. This notice can be given to the tenants when they have not paid their rent for more than 14 days. For example, if the tenant has to pay their rent on 1st and if they has not paid till 14th or 15th of the rent, then we can only generate this notice. So by this notice we can further apply for the application and for the possession as well. Without notices we cannot apply for that. So here we have the option non-payment of rent. So we need to select this screen will be appear to us. So generally we are serving the notices by email. So here we need to write the email address we are sending the notice to, that must be of the tenants. For example, another thing I just want to mention that these notices are not paid, so you can generate that. But yes, this can be recorded on the site, so you need not to generate that multiple times with your errors. So you need to check that before you share that with the tenants and the owners. On the date you are intended to give or the send to the notice. So this notice cannot be sent like if you are preparing today, and you cannot be sent tomorrow because every day the rent amount can be increased in that, right? So you need to prepare on the same date on which you are intended to give the notice to the tenants and the owners. For example, I'm preparing that today and I'm going to send that today itself. And here I need to mention the name of the person who will be signing the printed notice. So here you can mention the name of your director. Let's take an example. I have entered that name. Then I have the residential provided give the notice to vacate in before. The date has been automatically picked up of after 14 days. They have given the period of 14 days to pay their rent, otherwise they need to vacate the property, right? So you can extend this date, but this cannot be backdated at as it is automatically reflected, right? So now here you need to mention the reason to vacate. Here they have mentioned clearly that you owe at least 14 days of the rent. If your rent is less than 14 days, you are not supposed to give that notice. Now your rent is paid and including up to. Here you need to mention the date, the effective date up to the no, up to the rent has been paid. For example, they have paid till 5th of March and with $500, right? And they are left with this much of amount, right? So accordingly you need to fill the details up, right? Here you have the number. In total you are able to give the 5 notices in 1 year. So this is the count. Is this the first, second, third, fourth or fifth notice, right? So accordingly you can select that. For example, if this is the first notice, right? Now you need to explain the facts and the circumstances along with the dates here. For example, you can mention that the property manager is chasing the renter regularly for the rent payment, but he is not getting anything back, right? In this you can also mention the dates or you can mention the figures, right? Is documentary evidence attached? So here you need to select no and you can continue. Here you need to mention the property address. For example, the property address is suburb Starnet, um, here's a tuna, right? I need to continue after mentioning the property address. Here I can mention the name of the rental providers. The details would be of your agency for sure. Here you need to select the business details, and whatever the address would be, you need to mention here along with their contact number if available or their email address. The name would be of owners. For example, Vivek Sharma is the owner. If there are multiple owners, then you need to select here. This will create another option. Here you can mention the name of another owner. Everything will remain same. And once you continue here, you will have the option to save the details of the renters. For example, the renter name is Gurpreet and the surname is Kaur. The residential address is 121 Crossway Avenue. Let's take an example. The contact number is this, and the email address is right. Again, there are more tenants, then you need to select here. If not, then continue. You need to enter the mobile number. Once I continue, here you will have the option to confirm. So here you can check all the details before you confirm or you download. So if you have anything that needs to be changed, you can check it from here. You need not to confirm that. And you can even change the detail from here, right? If you find everything perfect, then you can confirm and the notice can be generated. Thank you.